Welcome back. Today I'm visiting one of Malaga's most stylish and unusual museums. If you enjoy classic cars, period fashion, and unique displays, this is well worth a visit.
So you had one of those days when the world don't give you no grace. You'd rather fly away and keep on going higher.
This is the Auto Museum in Malaga. The museum showcases a collection of classic and vintage cars, with a special emphasis on women's garments and fashion that match the period of each vehicle. This adds an extra layer of historical context and makes the displays particularly visually striking. Among the highlights is a replica of John Lennon's Rolls-Royce, which is a favorite for photography and a real talking point for visitors. The museum blends automotive history with fashion and lifestyle, making it unique among car museums. The museum is located within easy reach of Malaga city centre. By car, there is parking nearby, though spaces can be limited depending on the time of day. Public transport, local buses stop close to the museum. Check the route before travelling. The nearest train station is Maria Zambrano and the museum is about a 5-minute walk from there. Walking from the city centre is also possible for those staying nearby. For detailed directions and parking tips, check my website, links are in the description below. Entry is charged at €10, but there are concessions for over 65 and students. Opening times are daily 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Times may vary slightly during holidays or special exhibitions. This is a fascinating museum to visit if you're in Malaga, especially for anyone interested in classic cars, historical fashion, or unique exhibitions that combine both. You'll find more local attractions, museums, and practical travel information on my website. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and just enjoy life. Hey there, sun seekers. Planning a Costa del Sol escape? My website and YouTube channel have you covered with resort insights, attractions, local tips, and vibrant festivals, all topped with helpful reviews. Whether dreaming or ready to jet off, my site simplifies your journey. Scan the QR code for pocket-sized guidance on the go. Join the adventure. Explore the links in the description for an effortless Costa del Sol experience. Let's make your getaway memorable. Happy travels! Thanks for watching, and enjoy life.